I'm Steve, Technical Director at the Advanced Manufacturing Readiness Facility. So at the AMRF, I'm responsible for developing our technical portfolio. The AMRF offers specialist technical advice and services to onboard new technology for your organization. That means that your employees can come standing next to ours to learn latest industry best practices, new technology, and ensure that your company stays ready as well. I'm really proud to work with the team at the AMRF. Everyone comes with practical experience from industry. Right now, we're at the forefront of establishing Australia's newest city in 100 years with a focus specifically on manufacturing. And that should mean a lot for local manufacturers in Australia. Machines are on deck. We're getting the keys. Electricity's on. Me and the team cannot wait to meet you on site at our facility in 2025.